editor me in the future. What is the significance of these arches?
Well, I'm glad you asked, not very smart me. They're traditional Japanese gates most commonly found at the entrances to Shinto shrines.
So I don't know this for a fact, but it looks to me like when you're finished with your battle, you put your knife, your sword into the sheath. And it looks like this building has two of the swords put in the sheath, which is why it has the gold ring at the base.
More than 2.4 million people are enshrined here for making the ultimate sacrifice for their nation since 1853, from the first Tokyo resident emperor Meiji Restoration to the Great East Asian War, also known as World War II. Men and women, regardless of rank, are honored equally.
So this is the shrine for all of the fallen soldiers from what, the 1800s?
Yeah, and a bunch of the wars, like World War II as well.
Yeah, which they called the Great
Eastern
Asian War.
They throw a coin in, they bow, they fall pray. Yeah, they're all worship people.
All equal, yeah. Women, men, women, children. I have to assume. Hiroshima, it's 240,000 people, I think, in one go. It's really quite unique.
If you enjoyed that content, we have plenty more where that came from. Go to our long form channel, Best Explorers, and you'll get the full video. We have lots more content to come, lots more adventures, camping, and maybe another travel series. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and
Ta-ta for now.
ta for now.
TTFN.